back to my channel, and yes, it is time for another Temu haul, but this time it is clothes. If you guys are new to my channel, I love sharing with things that I get from a bunch of different companies, and I love unboxing. But I absolutely love Temu, and I have a 30% code for you guys if you are a new user. So if you guys have never heard of Temu, Temu is like the newest thing where you guys can get stuff at a reasonable price. And they do offer free shipping, and you can get the stuff pretty fast. Like some stuff I have gotten in 10 days, but some stuff does take a little bit longer. But all I say is be patient. But if you guys are interested in this video and you want to see what I got, definitely keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna say I'm pretty excited to check out the clothes that I got. Now, I've kind of seen what I have, but I haven't opened any of the packaging, so I am pretty excited. And one thing I absolutely love is the packaging that most of the products came in. It's like these reusable bags. Now, if you guys make fun of me, I say bags funny, but these are like the resealable bags. Now, these are perfect for anything that you guys need to pack stuff up. Wet clothes for the summer, anything. They're actually really good quality, and I just wanted to say that. So if you guys order stuff, definitely check those out. And if you have those bags, let me know what you think of them. They don't cost anything. They come with that stuff, but I absolutely love these bags. So I got some clothes for myself, and I got some clothes for my daughter. If you guys are interested and you are a new user, you guys can use the code OFF, so OFF3269, and you get 30%. So anything that you see on the website is pretty much on sale. Then you can get an additional 30% if you guys use my code, which is awesome. But like I was saying, I ended up getting some clothes for myself. I've been trying to just get rid of some stuff, and I'm in the middle of losing some weight where I don't look so heavy, so I'm trying to do that. And then I'm trying to wear more dresses in the summertime. My daughter just absolutely loves clothes. My son is very particular on clothes, so I didn't get a chance to get him anything. I was showing him a couple things. He's like, no, that's okay. But I am ready to just dig in and share with you guys what I got for clothes. So we're going to do my daughter first. 4th of July is coming up, so I ended up getting this cute little dress. This dress was $8.98 for this. Now, I didn't know if I should order big or small. I didn't know how their sizes run. So she is going to be 4 years old in a month, and this is a size 5'6". So this looks like it would fit her. So it is made for like 5 or 6 year olds, but this looks like it would fit her. I don't know if it would run small, but it's a very good like soft material. I really like it. I thought this is a cute little dress for her to wear for the 4th of July. It's comfortable. It's really nicely made material, but for $8.98, I couldn't go wrong with that. And then I saw this little dress. She was like, Mom, I like this. This was $3.58. $3.58. Now keep in mind, some of these things that I do show you, the prices might be different now than when you look, or they might be cheaper. It all fluctuates. But, you know, they always have a sale. Okay, I thought this was a shirt for my daughter, but apparently it's a set. No, this is a dress. I'm like, it's a shirt for me. And then I'm like, wait, I won't even fit into this. But this is a little dress that I got for Charlotte. I have something that I kind of got matching with it, because I thought, let's match some outfits. But for $3.58, this is a cute little dress. This is size, I don't know what size it is, but this would fit her right now. She's kind of on the petite side. But I think most of the stuff I did order were 5'6", because I didn't know if they were going to run small or big. But, yeah, I thought that is a cute little dress. And for like $4, that's a great deal. She picked out this outfit. She really wanted this outfit. So this is a, I'm assuming it's a 5'6". So this was $9.89 for this outfit. But she wanted it, and I'm like, okay. So here we have the little shirt with it. So it comes with like a little strappy shirt with a rainbow on it with a gold symbol. The material is actually a pretty decent material, but you got this shirt for her. It just says 110, which I don't know what that means, but we got that. And then it comes with like little shorts. So these look like they're probably a little bit big for, I mean, the waist-wise they look a little big for her, but I mean, what a cute little, you know, shorts, and for $9.98, pretty decent quality, or $9.89, pretty decent quality. So I was watching Gina's video. Gina posted a video a couple weeks ago and she pointed to this dress. And I'm like, this dress is super cute. Now it would have been cute for, St. Patrick's Day, but I didn't see it until after St. Patrick's Day. Now I ordered this as a 5'6". This looks like it's pretty big for her, so she'll probably wear it next year. It does say it is 95% polyester and 5% spandex, but this is so cute, you guys. It's a cute little dress. So this is a 5'6", and this is a 5'6", and I feel like this would fit her. I feel like this is a little too big, so she'll probably have to wear this next year, which is maybe why I ordered it a little bit bigger so she could wear it next year. But this is absolutely adorable, you guys. It reminds me of Lucky Charms is basically what it was. And this was $8.09. But just look at that. It's just adorable and it's super soft. Had to get that. Now this item was sold out when I looked on the website to figure out what the price was. But I think it was like $5 or $6. I don't remember. So this material is a little bit of a thinner material. But it's kind of like a little halter, or like a little unicorn rainbow with some shorts. Again, I think this is a 5'6" that I ordered her, but it's super cute, and it was really, really inexpensive for a cute little outfit. She loves rainbows, she loves unicorns, so I had to get her that. So those are the outfits that I got for her, which I am super excited for her to wear and be comfortable in. So we got that. I'm just gonna throw some of these bags away. And then now, let me share with you guys what I got. Okay, so this was $9.98. This is a dress. Now, a lot of these dresses did come in different colors, but I thought this dress is kind of a cute dress. Now, this is like a silk. It feels like a silk dress. Let's see where the top is. Yeah, it's kind of like, reminds me of a nightgown, but I ended up getting like a long dress, and yeah, it goes all the way down to my feet. And I think I ordered a extra large. It said large was like 8'10", and I forget that I'm not an 8'10" anymore. But I think I ordered an extra large, and this looks like it'll fit me pretty good. But this is a cute little dress to wear like at the pool. Like, it feels like a swimming suit material is what it is. So this would be something I would definitely wear when I'm going to the pool or going to a beach or something like that. Just something really nice and comfortable. So $9.98, and I got a lot of those bags with my clothes. I got a lot of those bags. So yes. So here is another thing that I got. This is $7.68 for this, and this is a long sleeve shirt. It is very soft. It feels like, again, it's a little thin. It's a long sleeve shirt. It's really thin, but it kind of feels like a swimming suit material. But I ended up getting like a little tie-dye long sleeve shirt. And again, I ordered this in an extra large because I am tall. But I thought this is super cute. Super cute for me to wear. You know, and the weather still might surprise us. Right now it's going to be 70 something today, but you never know what's going to be in a couple days. But super cute. $7.68 for a long sleeve shirt. Now this is a purple t-shirt I got. This was $6.98. I'm pretty excited for something like this. So basically, you got, the buttons came done, but here is a little t-shirt like this, and then it's kind of like wavy on the bottom. But I thought this would be cute, super cute. I absolutely love purple. If you guys haven't noticed, I'm a purple freak, but this is super cute, and I'm pretty excited to wear that for $6.98. Yes. Okay. I got a couple more shirts to share with you guys. Now this is a dress. This is a dress that I got to match Charlotte. This was $8.98. So this is a long dress. It is a little fit. It is thin material. I'm going to tell you guys that. I can see right through it. I can see right through it. So, but it is a cute little dress. It goes down to my knees. It is plated. But just be prepared. It is a little see-through. But it's still cute. You guys can wear this, again, under your swimming suit. However you want to do it. But really awesome. for that. And then I got one more shirt. I am going to get some sublimation shirts. They actually have sublimation shirts that I want to try out that already have that bleached look. They sell out super fast. So one of these days I am going to get some sublimation stuff and I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So this is another long sleeve shirt. This feels like a swimming suit. It right on feels exactly like a swimming suit. I'm not sure how I feel about the shoulder, but I wasn't thinking like that. This says it's an extra large. This looks huge, but it looks cute. It looks cute. It is a long sleeve here, and it is long sleeve here, but for $8.98, I thought I would try something that's a little bit different. I might have to take it in a little bit, but it's cute. It's cute. So that was everything that I got for clothing. So I just kind of wanted to share with you guys what I got. There is more stuff that I saw that I'm just like, I want. Like, I found a bingo shirt, and I found a rainbow bright sweatshirt that I'm like, oh, and it said made in the 80s, and I'm like, we gotta get that. We gotta get that. So I will be buying, definitely be buying more stuff. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Now all the clothes I did get, there's a link below that you guys can click and you can find it on the website pretty easy. But you do get 30% off if you guys are a new user where you use the code OFF, so OFF3269, and you guys will get 30%. So all that stuff I shared you, an additional 30%. It is awesome. Let me know what you guys loved, if you guys would try some of this stuff. But again, a lot of these clothes, I did read the reviews on it, if it ran small, ran big, and then I kind of changed my mind on some of the sizes as I was ordering it. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on how easy it is to order from Temu. But again, thank you Temu for sponsoring this video. I am pretty excited. I love working with them. I love just trying out new things, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Make sure you guys check out my next haul. I have another awesome haul that I love to share with you guys, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.